We out here.
Yeah, we're just cleaning the woods just to get some ice off it.
There's fucking salt everywhere because, you know, Canada, winter time. Look at all this nasty ass salt.
Did I say ice?
What?
Did I say ice?
I don't know. Did you say ice?
I think I said ice.
I forget if I don't know if you said ice. Yeah, salt is disgusting. Look at that nastiness.
And you know, we're cheap. We're not going to pay to
Yeah, we're just using the free water. I'm gonna go shut my car off because it's loud as fuck. That's Brandon. You guys haven't seen him in any of the videos yet, but yeah, that's Brandon. Ah, shit. Oh, that turtle's full though.
Washing the car here. Free water.
We're gonna probably go try and get Matt's watt box properly like programmed and stuff after, so we'll see. But yeah, the Jetta. This is winter mode right now. Can't wait for summertime. Hey Brandon, can't wait for summertime when it's actually like dumped again. My damn. This guy too.
What?
Summertime when we're low again.
Oh, I know, right?
I can't wait. That Mark 5.
18 likes on the last video.
Yeah, I seen that. That was actually pretty dope. And the one, did you see the one guy's comment? He's like, "You ripped her pretty hard, bud." That was actually awesome. It's actually not too bad out today.
Yeah, I should have filled up with later.
Yeah. Well, yeah, obviously. It's still like, what, minus 20 or some shit?
I got like,
So,
I got a t-shirt and my sweater.
yeah.
My feet are frozen.
It's just my hand that's cold. It'll dry up and then it'll still kind of look not as black.
Like, I just want the ice.
But yeah. That's why Brandon's doing mine again, so it can look mint. I just don't want my fucking fenders to rust out.
That's what I mean.
Like, I already have my one driver's side fender. Yeah, like literally,
The Mark 5 is usually
literally right there on my one fender is starting to rust out on my passenger side, I believe. Cause what? I rolled it with a metal fucking tube.
Yeah, I'm rolling mine next season with that.
With an actual roller, yeah. Like, I'm gonna show them my pull on my fenders. Like, that's my pull on my fenders, because I'm stupid and don't care. But you know what? When it's dumped, it looks good, so I'm not complaining. But yeah, this is the rust I was talking about. I don't know if you can see it on camera. Yay. Say hi, Brandon.
It's good. Yo, this wheel's getting nice and clean, buddy.
I didn't clean my wheels last time.
Look at that shiny gold.
As shiny gold as it's gonna get.
Fuck, this thing hurts like half the time.
Yeah, because it's, well, free water. What do you expect it? Because it just pumps out water to keep the lines warm so they don't freeze. Yeah, boy.
Yeah, Brandon. For what you did today in the group chat, I was about to say, okay, I guess you're not part of this, or what?
Yo. It's not cold start, but
Alright, cold start.
it's a start. It's not a cold start.
No, it's not cold start. It's very warm.
It's
Right here, turbo whistle. Ready?
Roll some coal.
Give me a little,
You step back. Okay, it's back here, right? Yeah.
Ashley, yeah. Hey, we're leaving the seat.
Secret location.
It is only negative fucking 30 degrees. What are we out here?
You see that Jetta? Yeah. Here it coming. Yeah, I whipped him out.
What's the fork?
What? Sorry?
Yeah, it's gonna be more coolant.
Yeah, probably.
My coolant temperature gauge just came on.
Your battery's gonna die one of these days, bro. You're gonna go to school.
I jumped like
It's happened to him like 3 times at school.
Really?
Yeah.
That's
That
fun.
happened when I was with Ashley, and then it happened when I fucking left my car in some parking lot. I had to jump it myself.
I left my gloves at your house, didn't I, Brandon?
Yeah.
Fuck.
Here.
It's okay. Got me? Matt coming in clutch with the gloves.
Oh, when did it run?
If not, it's okay. Don't worry about it. Oh, yo, your mom's gloves. Yes. Yes. I wore these mitts last time. Yes, like look at these fucking beauty mitts right here. Oh, yes. Did she?
Yeah.
Say a word. They're the pink shit.
This isn't pink.
That's the pink shit.
This ain't pink.
It's fucking
That's
pink.
bro. Is that pink?
That's the pink shit. You can't see on the video, but that's the pink shit.
It's not pink. It's like orange, Jack.
Well, Volkswagen.
Volkswagen. If it's too expensive, they're Canadian Tire.
Yeah, I
I'm
guess.
pretty sure I bought that shit at Canadian Tire, dude.
Did you?
I don't remember. Like, I can't. Like, I bought. Last time I did this shit was like when I first bought the car.
Fuck. I
Platinum
don't know.
shield protection.
Platinum shield protection.
Man, and I came with the car, man.
It's fucking
gotta sell
windy.
that.
It's windy as tits.
It's dying out here.
Alright, we're gonna get in your car and
How big?
do this fucking watt box.
I'm not watt boxing it if I got no cool.
Oh yeah, true say.
Like, if I mix it, it's worse. How do I drain that shit right there?
I don't know.
It's cooling over there, I think.
There's coolant over there, I think. Fucking oil.
If that's actually oil, like,
It is.
Do with that shit, man.
Yeah, guaranteed it's all full. It's probably all full.
Those are fucking pricks, man. Like, I feel like taking out the Canadian Tire.
Dicks. That's fucked.
What, they stole them?
No, they're full of oil. They didn't dispose of them properly. So they
And
just
then,
fucking
like,
left them there.
Oil's fucked, you can't do that.
It is ugly. Winter mode. Ew. 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 I need new wheels. I really need new wheels. Ah, fuck. Look at that shaved trunk though. Oh, that's actually a dope, like,
Did you get that? Hoppity hop?
I don't know. Did I get that little hoppity hop? This guy actually looks sick.
That's actually a cool picture.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Alright, do you want to go get coolant and shit then for your car?
Well, yeah, but
Yeah.
I'm gonna give my dad a call. See what if he remembers what we got.
Alright. Do you have any at your house?
I don't think so.
No. Alright. Well, we're gonna sit in the car for a bit then. This is cold. Oh, man. You good?
It's legit negative fucking 20 out here. And it was 20 degrees Celsius plus yesterday. So.
Man, they're gonna see the camera like shaking and shit. Fucking, cause I'm cold as fuck.
I'm trying to warm up.
All right, we're gonna see. Look at that fucking. Look at that view, guy.
Yeah, we're at fucking the Tipton Hotel right now.
Look at that. That looks so nice on camera.
Got the nicest view in the city.
Yeah, our secret spot. But yeah, we'll check in after then, I guess. Fucking when we actually have coolant and stuff, or figure out whatever we're doing in Matt's car.
Alright, Brandon fucked up. We out here at Volkswagen dealership because I need more coolant for my car. And
It wasn't my fault.
yeah, it was. You put the piece right there.
I had no other spot to put it in.
And Josh is cheesed, obviously, because it's his car.
But you can clean it out at my house.
Fucking cry.
So we just got back from Volkswagen.
You just magged the coolant.
We got his coolant.
Wind's pushing it though.
He's like spitting everywhere. Look at that. That's gross. Oh fuck, the wind is gonna fuck it up. I hate it.
We're out here in fucking Arctic.
Yeah.
Minus 30 degrees out.
It's stupid as
Minus
fuck.
30 degrees Fahrenheit. That's the thing. But
You know what? You have coolant in there, so it's
I got
fine.
enough to do a whole nother flush, I think.
Yeah, so you'll be fine.
So I might flush out next. Ow! It's too cold to snap my damn finger.
Yeah, I know. We gotta go somewhere, and which ones? Yeah, your mom's gloves? Yeah, they're in my car. Alright, we gonna go to that one spot
Yeah.
and do it now? Alright.
Is it? Yeah, we out here. So my check engine light just started
Yeah, his check engine light started flashing.
when. Let's warm her up in here a bit. Started flashing when I was doing it. I'm guessing it's just because some
It's
bullshit.
fucking decked. His car's fucking decked.
I might just scrap the car. Okay, let's see. Yeah, I see random misfire. That's all it is.
Okay, yeah, so that's fine.
That's what everyone.
As long as there's no fucking bent valves and shit.
Try
2.85.
Yeah. You gotta hit right.
Just hit right. You can feel it like pulse the car.
Yeah. Okay, try like.
You want to just go straight to 3?
I tried 3. It won't work.
It doesn't work at all?
No.
Try 2.71. It's good, exactly.
Okay, so we're getting there.
I think 3 is the gold number. We should go for
3
the
is the
threshold.
golden number, and I'll just find the threshold, yeah. So, what, we'll go 3.
I'm still. I gotta take this cord back because I'm cheap as fuck. It was a $56 fucking cord.
That's fine.
For what? To connect it to this, because the fucker that I bought this off of gave me a broken cord.
Nope.
275.
You should ask your money back.
He's in Toronto. I can't. He was in London.
Alright, peace, Matt.
Easy.
So we're calling it a night. Hey, Matt's dipping. I'm gonna drop Brandon off at home now, and then that's the end of today's vlog. Unlock this door for Brandon. There you go. All right, say bye to the people, Brandon.
Easy.
All the pain.